Hi, I'm Braden, and today we're going to talk about OPS and RBIs and how they apply to baseball and statistics. So one guy in the MLB who hits a lot of baseballs is Mike Trout. We don't know how to draw Mike Trout, and so we drew a fish because trout, rainbow trout, it all works together. So OPS is on base plus slugging. That means when you get on base, like this little guy right here, he's gonna run, he's gonna get on first base. So if you get on first base, you're gonna get 1 point. And if you get on second base, you get 2 points. And that guy has 3 arms. And if you get on third base, 3 points. And then if you hit a home run, you get 4 points. And even though getting on second base isn't twice as good as getting on first base, you're gonna get 2 points, because every time you don't get on base, you strike out, unlike Mike Trout, then you will get a 0 for that batting attempt. And so each base, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and 0 for striking out. And you also get 1 if you get walked, which is called a base on balls. But we won't talk about that today. That's for tomorrow. An RBI is how many people you get in. So if someone is on base, say you have someone on second base and you're gonna hit the ball, he didn't strike out this time. Someone's on second base, you hit the ball here and it bounces, outfielder's right here, and this guy runs all the way because he's really fast. His name's Cody Bellinger. Slides into home base, and even if you just get on first base because this cutoff man, you know, it happens. I lost my train of thought. This guy gets through, he scores, that's an RBI. Run batted in, because he ran in. If you hit a home run and you get yourself in, that also counts as an RBI. And so that is the basic of what OPS is, on base plus slugging, and RBIs, runs batted in. And next is Joe.
Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm proud to say I'm the best looking guy here. All right, so I'm gonna talk about our 5-number summary and our upper and lower fences. So this one is our X variable, the OPS, and the Y variable is the RBI. All right, cool. So, so our 5-number summary for OPS ranges from 0.615 to 1.035. And this 1.035 is this beautiful fish, Mike Trout. And our upper fence happened to be 1.0025. And that is more than that. So he's an outlier. Mike Trout's an outlier, woo. So he's really, really good at baseball and really good at hitting. And now we're gonna see the correlation with RBI. Because the range for RBI, the 5-number summary, was between 24 and 116. And so, good old Mike Trout, he had 111 RBIs. So, that we see that there is a correlation between OPS and RBIs because Mike Trout had the highest outlier OPS and he received one of the highest RBIs. And so, yeah, peace.
What up? I'm Josh. Today I'm going to teach you about linear regression. So for linear regression, you need 2 quantitative variables. And our OPS and RBI, they were positively correlated, but not super related. And the reason we can tell is because the highest, or like the strongest correlation would be a 1, and the weak would be 0.2. We have a value of 0.473, which is pretty much down the middle. So it is correlated, but not super strongly. And we're gonna finish it out. Chesnee's gonna take us home, and let's get it done.
Hit a home run, Chesnee!
Woo! Hello there, I'm Chesnee, as I mentioned before. So in conclusion, our R value was 0.473, which means it was a positive correlation, and it was only moderately correlated because, like he said, a strong one would be at 1, a negative, not a negative, A weak correlation would be at 0, and our R value was 4.73 or 0.473. So it was positively moderately correlated.